One UI 9 is closer than many people think. Samsung's next major software update, One UI 9 based on Android 17, is expected to make its official debut alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Flip 8, and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. According to recent reports, Samsung could unveil these new foldable devices during its Galaxy Unpacked event on July 22, 2026. Following the launch, Samsung is expected to gradually roll out the One UI 9 update to eligible Galaxy devices. As usual, availability will vary depending on region, carrier, and device model. If Samsung sticks to its traditional release schedule, the Galaxy S26 lineup may be among the first smartphones to receive the stable One UI 9 update, with a rollout expected around September 2026. Regarding eligible devices, One UI 9 is expected to support Galaxy S series flagships starting from the Galaxy S23 lineup and newer models. Samsung's foldable devices, beginning with the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5, are also likely to receive the update. Several Galaxy A series smartphones are expected to be included as well, along with selected tablets from the Galaxy Tab S9 series and newer. However, based on Samsung's current software support policy, some older devices may not qualify for the update. Reports suggest that the Galaxy S22 series, Galaxy S21 FE, Galaxy Z Fold 4, and several older Galaxy A models could miss out on One UI 9. Meanwhile, Samsung has already launched the One UI 9 beta program for the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra in select regions. Users interested in early access can join through the Samsung Members app. The beta program is currently available in Germany, India, South Korea, Poland, the United Kingdom, and the United States. Before installing any beta software, it's always a good idea to back up important data, as beta versions can contain bugs, performance issues, and unexpected behavior that may affect daily use. For now, all attention is focused on Samsung's upcoming July Unpacked event, where we expect to learn much more about One UI 9, Android 17, and Samsung's future software plans. So, what are your thoughts on One UI 9? Are you planning to try the beta version, or would you rather wait for the stable release? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.